Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. As I shared earlier in the day today, beyond 32,900 you can stay long on US 30 and precisely it's achieved close to 32,100 levels. Similarly, gold has achieved 1737 and US 100 trading with the rise too. Now what is going to happen with the US cash market? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on these instruments will be up just before the Asia session tomorrow. So do watch that also along with other markets and commodities including FTSE 100, Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, crude oil, natural gas and silver as well. So do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end we'll see US 30. Now this is the hourly charts on gold. Here you can see it is trying to form a double top. Lower highs are done. At the same time it is trying to honor this channel. So if you see it trading below this zone any point of time, if you see it trading below 1720, definitely that is a good point to go short, and then one can expect 1715, 1710 and below that we can see further lows out there, else it may try to bounce back from here. Possibly it is trying to consolidate in this zone, that is between 1724 to 1735 zone. So be cautious and do not trade in between these levels, precisely between 1724 to 1735. Rather, I will say 1720 to 1735 now. Be cautious in between this. This is just on the hourly charts. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is again trying to diverge and it is on the sell side. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour chart, similar is the formation. It is trying to form a double top out there. In general, in such formation it may try to attempt and achieve this levels at around 1715, 1740 levels. So yes, probably once it breaks below 1720, definitely that will be a good level to stay short on gold, and one can expect 1718, 1715 and below that we may see a sharp fall in gold, where 1710 level should come into the rescue, where it may get a strong support. Below that, yes, could expect a good fall. Now look at the directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic was overbought, now trying to look downwards. The MACD has again crossed over on the 2-hour chart. This is the first red candle. Be watchful of this. RSI looking downwards here. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, yes, it is trying to form the same formation. Support there at 1720 levels is strong. Then 1718 below that, yes, you can expect a stronger support till there at around 1710, 1708. Below that we can expect a good fall. On the upside, 1735, 1740 levels should provide a very strong resistance. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. It is willing to cross over. The MACD is trying to cross over, and see it may come up with a strong thrust for it to cross over in this candle itself. So be watchful. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness on the 4-hour charts too. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at closely, similar is the formation. It is trying to get the resistance around these levels at around 1735, and with that it is trying to drop. The support here at 1724 is good, and then 1720 levels will come into picture. Below that, yes, you can expect a good fall for 1715 first support, then 1710, 1708 zone, and below that you can expect a stronger fall on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic trading flat. MACD is trying to converge and crossover. Be watchful there. It is trying to cross over for a bearish move. RSI looking downwards there. Similarly on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. What it has done is it has achieved lower highs there precisely, and only if it breaks beyond 1740 one can expect now that it may act bullish, else it may try to trade in red. It can try to retrace back a bit. But look at this. What it is trying to do, it is trying to give you higher lows and lower highs, and that is why I say go short only below 1720 zone. Below that, yes, you can expect a good fall for 1715, 1710, and then below that, yes, you can remain bearish on gold. One can expect it to continue with the bearish momentum. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is now again near to overbought levels, trying to converge crossover for a sell. And you look at the MACD. MACD has seen 3 green candles, and now it is still divergent and it is still bullish on the daily charts. RSI has again come back to the comfortable levels, but right now trading flat without any bias. And considering this, I will not recommend you to take a short entry until it is above 1720 levels. Till the time it is above 1720, one can remain long, and below that also it may get a support at 1718 and 1715. Below that, yes, you can expect a good drop till towards 1715, 1710 and then 1708. Below that, it is going to crash towards 1700 and below levels. Trade with caution. On the upside, yes, above 1730, you can expect it to hit 1735 again, and beyond 1735, one can remain bullish for 1740, and beyond that, it is going to fly high till towards 1760 level. So trade with caution, trade accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Now, do trade with the stop loss till the time it trades between 1715 and 1735. Do trade with the stop loss, and do keep shifting your stop loss to cost, and always put a trailing stop loss in between this. It can try to swing a bit. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Now this is on the US 100's hourly charts. You can find out that it traded outside the Bollinger Bands here, tried to achieve higher highs and in fact lower lows out there, trying to show you a swing, and it is an expanding triangle. Now if it trades below 12,430 there, you can go short there, and you can expect it to drop till towards 12,430 levels. Below that, you can expect a sharper drop further till towards 12,400, which is going to be the next support here at 12,400. Below that, we can expect a little fall. And yes, it is trading on the top of the Bollinger Bands, upper half of the Bollinger Bands. We can expect a little retracement on the downside there. How far it can go? It can again come back till towards 12,360, 12,370 zone. I had asked you earlier in the day today that only short if it trades below 12,360, it perfectly honored those levels. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is overbought here and now looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, it is in green, trying to converge, and similarly RSI trading flat. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can find that. Now look closely on this 2-hour charts here. See, it has achieved higher highs. It was trading in this channel, broke this channel, retraced downwards, and now trying to retrace back a bit on the upside. But be watchful of this. See, from here, retracement, highs, higher highs, lower lows, and the same levels it has come back to 12,450, 12,500 levels. Be watchful of this. It has got a stronger resistance at around this zone, and from here, if it breaks beyond 12,500, definitely we can expect a sharper move. At the same time, look at the last 2-hour candles here. See, it traded bullish here. Now see, it has formed a double top, trying to retrace back a bit on the downside. There is a possibility if it drops below 12,430, we can expect it to hit 12,410, and then it can come back till towards 12,390. Below that, yes, 12,360 is there, and then we can expect a fall or crash out there on US 100. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. Look at the MACD. MACD is trying to converge here. RSI is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, remember this is the first. See, after this consolidation, it has got a breakout candle. It has seen a breakout candle, and only bearishness can be expected if it gives a red candle, something like this, which is totally off, which can take it totally on the opposite direction till towards 12,350, 12,300 zone. So if it trades like this, yes, you can expect that it is going to act bearish. And see, till the time it is at around 12,350, one can expect that it has got a stronger support. Below that, we can expect it to drop till towards 12,300, and below that it can crash. Now till the time it trades about 12,350, 12,360, yes, you can expect it to bounce back, but be watchful of 12,500 also. Above 12,500, we can expect a stronger bullish move. On the upside, directional movement is bullish, trying to converge again. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is bearish, and it is trying to converge on the 3-hour charts. The RSI is looking again downwards here, and similarly if you look at the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour chart there. On the 4-hour chart, see the previous few candles taking the support here at 12,370, 12,380. So yes, if you see it trading below 12,360, or rather I'll say 12,350, you can remain short on US 100, and then you can expect a good fall. See, it has achieved a double top. It is kind of forming head and shoulders out there, and yes, with that, it is trying to drop again. Possibly be watchful of 12,500 levels on the upside. Definitely beyond 12,500, strong bullish move will come. Be watchful of that. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. RSI trading flat on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, look at the previous candle. Higher highs, lower lows. The pivot is precisely at around this zone. I had told you, and I had shared this in my weekly analysis, and today morning also I had shared this, that it may try to attempt and achieve this equilibrium, which is at around 12,480 12,500 zone. So it has achieved precisely the equilibrium levels. Now trying to retrace back also, it has already seen the lower lows. So once it breaks below 12,350, one can expect that it can give you a sharper fall which might take it till towards 12,250 levels. So till the time it trades below 12,480, 12,500, I will not recommend you to go long. Above 12,500, possibly we can expect a good bullish move. And also in between, yes, on the downside you can go short at around 12,400 levels, 12,390 levels. Below that you can expect 12,350 to provide a support, and below that it may crash heavily till towards 12,300 and 12,250 levels. Be watchful of that. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is wide and divergent and bullish here. The RSI trading flat. Considering this, yes, you can go long about 12,480, 12,500 zone. If it breaks past this and sustains above this, we can expect a sharper bullish move in US 100. Then 12,600, 650 levels should get achieved. In fact, it can try to attempt and achieve much beyond levels, but be watchful of 12,600, 650 zone. It is going to get a stronger resistance around those. Now on the downside, yes, if it breaks below 12,390, 12,380, you can go short there, and then you can expect 12,350 to provide a support. Below that 12,320, 300 to provide a support, and below that it may break heavily till towards 12,250 and further below levels. Anyways, below 12,350 you need not be bullish. So yes, on the upside 12,480 you should be watchful of. On the downside 12,380 you should be watchful of. Above and below you can take your positions accordingly, and always trade with the stop loss. Till the time it trades between 12,350 and 12,500, you have to keep shifting a stop loss to cost, and you have to, as a general practice also, you have to put a trailing stop loss so that in case of a reversal at least you secure your sum of the profits. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Now let's have a look at US 30 on the hourly charts. Higher lows it is trying to give. You can definitely remain short. If it trades below 32,040, you can remain short and you can expect it to fall below on the downside till the time it trades about 32,040 and between 32,100. I will not recommend you to take a long entry till it is below 32,100 levels. Remember, it was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, got a pullback again on the downside, so be watchful. And yes, on the downside the support there 31,950 is strong, and then 31,930, 31,900 zone will come into picture. It may attempt to achieve these levels on the downside. And also if you look at the support there at around 31,850, there is very, very strong. So once it breaks below 31,850, stay further short and you can expect a crash in US 30. Else it may bounce back. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts here, and that is why we can expect it to drop further. The MACD is in green. It is trying to converge from here. RSI trading flat on the hourly charts. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, see on the 2-hour charts, it has given higher lows consistently. And see here the support here at around 31,850 is going to be strong. At the same time, watch out for 32,100. If it breaks beyond 32,100, definitely one can stay long, and then on the upside one can expect it to achieve 32,200 levels and form a double top, and then we can expect it to give you a similar formation. So from 32,200 it can again start to drop. So be watchful of 32,100 again, and be watchful of 32,200, the next level. On the downside 31,800, 850 level should definitely be a stronger support. So first support at 31,900, then 31,850 level should come into picture. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the 2-hour charts. Look at the MACD is converging and crossing over for a bullish move here on the 2-hour charts. RSI is flat. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can find out that it has formed a tail trying to trade bullish. If it breaks past 32,100, stay long, and then one can expect it to attempt and achieve 32,200 levels, form the double top here, and then from there one can again expect it to retrace, come back till towards 31,800. Below that, yes, you can expect it to continue with the downward momentum. On the downside 31,700 definitely should come out to be a stronger support. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is again overbought, and you can see the MACD is trying to converge here. RSI trading flat. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts, see here higher lows is what we had seen, and as I shared in the morning earlier, that 31,800, 31,850 zones should to provide a support. Precisely it happened in the similar fashion. Now it is trying to give you lower highs and higher lows, so be watchful of 31,100 and 31,850, 800 zone. In between these 300 points you have to be cautious. At the same time, one can go short at 32,040 32,440 or 32,000 levels itself. Below 32,000 you can expect it to drop till towards 31,950. 31,900 is the next support level. Below that it is going to crash for 31,850 and 800. Below that 31,750, 700 should come into picture, which is a very strong support. If it drops below 31,700, sky is the limit. We are going to look forward to a crash for 31,400, 300 levels. The directional movement is looking upwards and it is bullish. The stochastic looking upward. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will observe that, see, previous two candles provided higher highs and higher lows. So higher highs and higher lows, it precisely traded in this channel. It is again trying to come back in this channel, and once it breaks past this zone at 32,200, we can, if it sustains above 32,200, 220, then one can expect that it is going to hit 32,400 also. So be watchful of that. At the same time, remember, it has seen lower lows, and hence any drop below this zone at 31,800, it will call for a stronger fall on the downside. 31,700, 600, and in fact on the downside 31,400 levels can be expected. So trade with caution till the time it trades below 31,100. At least we can be safe here. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge and crossover. Stochastic is overbought now, looking downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this, I'll not recommend you to take a long entry above till it is below 31,100, and rather you can keep a cushion for 31,120. Beyond that, you can stay long for 31,200, 220 levels, and if it breaks past 31,200, 220, we may see a very strong strong rise on the upside, taking it till towards 32,500, 400 zone. So be watchful. If it sustains above 32,200 to 220 levels, you can stay long and expect it to achieve 32,400 and 32,500 levels. On the downside, once it breaks below 32,000 levels, you can go short at 32,000. Then every 50 points till 31,700, it has got a support. 31,900, 31,850, 31,800, then 31,750 and 700. Below that, yes, we can expect a very sharp fall till towards 31,500, 400 levels. So be watchful and be cautious of this, and take your trades accordingly. Do trade with a stop loss. Do trade with a trailing stop loss till the time it is between 33,200 and 31,800. These 400 points you have to be extra cautionary, you have to be extra cautious, and it can swing a bit in between these 400 points. Any direction upside and downside will decide the direction for next few sessions, and we can take our trades accordingly. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and yes, you can be part of my mentorship batch or my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details on it, or join my Telegram channel. It's a free channel where you get the latest updates. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead, and reach out to me via email or Telegram. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you.